Thanks everyone for joining our channel. Today we are doing a quick Duggu and Dakshu quiz show, and we have two participants. Duggu, do you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Duggu. I am from Bangalore.
Dakshu, do you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Dakshu. I'm from Bangalore.
Oh, very good. So today what we'll be doing a quick quiz on animal sounds, right? And then we'll have a quick spelling round 2. So each round will have five questions. If you answer a question, you'll get 5 points, right? And at the end, who has the highest score wins the game. Got it?
Okay.
So let us start with the first question, and the question is to Dakshu. If I bark, who am I?
Dog.
And Dakshu is absolutely right. Now coming to Duggu. If I neigh, who am I?
What?
If I neigh, who am I?
Horse.
Duggu is right. Now the next question for Dakshu is, if I buzz, who am I?
Honeybee.
I'll give this to you. It's just bee, okay? Not honeybee. So you get 10 points and Naman has 5 points.
Papa.
Wait. If I bar, who am I?
Sheep.
Very good. Both of you have 10 points. Vihan, if I roar, who am I?
Ryan.
Absolutely right. You have got 15 points. Duggu, next question is for you. If I chirp, who am I?
Bird.
Both of you have 15 points. Vihan, this is for you. If I squeak, who am I?
Mouse.
You have got 20 points, 4 questions, all of the 4 right. So you have got 20 points. Naman, your fourth. Duggu, your fourth question. If I bleat, who am I?
Goat.
Oh, you also have got 4 questions right, so your point also goes to 20. Vihan, if I quack, who am I?
Duck.
You have 25 points. Naman, your fifth question. If I hiss, who am I?
Snake.
And both of you have got same points, 25 points after round 1. Now we'll have a round 2, which is about spelling. So I'll start with the first spelling, Vihan. And the spelling is B.
B. B-E-E. B.
Oh my God, you got another 5 points. Your point goes to 30. Naman, for you, the question is horse spelling. If you can tell me horse spelling.
H-O-R-E-S.
H-O.
R-S-E.
Okay, you're right. You get 30 points. Now, Vihan, what is the spelling of cow?
W.
Cow, do the phonics.
C-O-W.
Absolutely right. You have got 35 points. And Naman, the question for you is, can you give me spelling for donkey?
D-O-N-K-E-Y.
Absolutely right. So your score also is 35 after 7 questions. Vihan, can you tell me spelling for frog?
F-O-R-G.
No, you're wrong. I'll give you one more chance because it is a 4-letter word and you are in LKG, so this is a big word. Frog. Frog.
Frog. F. Frog. O. O.
F-R.
R. Frog. O.
F-R-O. Frog.
G. G.
F-R-O.
G.
Okay, good. I'll give you 5 points. You were almost there. So I'll give you 5 points. So your score goes to 40. Now the next
मेरा भी
question.
40.
Yes, wait, Rihan. Quack. Dugu.
C. Q.
Mm,
U.
mm,
A.
mm.
C. K.
Good. Both of you now have 40 points. That is very exciting and very good. Vihan, question for you. Give me spelling of rat.
R-A-T.
Very good. And Naman, for you the question is, can you give me spelling for roar?
Roar. R-O-A-R.
Good. And this quiz ends in a draw. And both of you are winners. Come on, shake hand. Both of you won the quiz competition. And you'll get one biscuit each from Oreo. 10 rupees packet. Very good. Thank you, both of you.